In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to an online store on Wix Studio. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or simply looking to expand your inventory, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Wix Studio's homepage. Simply open up your web browser and type in the Wix Studio URL. This platform is a versatile tool designed especially for agencies and enterprises that are ready to manage their online presence with proficiency and style. Once you're at the homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will guide you to the login page. Here you'll be presented with several sign-in options. For simplicity and speed, you might choose to log in using your Google account. This option is convenient and secure, designed to save you time as you don't have to remember yet another password. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Wix Studio dashboard. To get started with adding a product, you'll need to look for a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to expanding what your site can do, as it allows you to add new elements such as store features to your website. Once you've clicked on this plus icon, a menu should appear where you'll then select Store. This step is crucial as it tells Wix that you're looking to add e-commerce functionality to your website. After selecting Store, you will need to click on Add to Site. What this does is integrate the store feature into your site's layout, allowing you to start managing products. With the store now part of your site, the next step is to click on Manage Products. This section is where the magic happens. You have the flexibility to edit existing products which might already be listed in your store. This is helpful if you need to update details such as price, description, or inventory. If you're adding brand new items, you can do that from the same Manage Products area. Simply click on New Product to begin. This will open a form where you can input all the relevant information about your product. Remember, the more detailed you are with descriptions, pricing, and categories, the better the shopping experience you provide to your customers. Updating and maintaining your product listings will ensure your online store is not only functional but also appealing to your customers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on adding products to your online store using Wix Studio. Keep these steps in mind and soon you'll be adept at managing your online inventory with ease. Thanks for watching and happy selling.